Here's a picture of a rat. But it didn't work out because I suck. I can't do it. So if this was paper, I'd just probably punch a hole through it, throw it in the trash. But being is digital, let's continue because I'm going to terrorize this stupid drawing I did. Stick around. I'm going to show you how to do textures, line work, add some washes, and how to be cruel to your inner drawings and and correct your mistakes for the bad decisions that, well, I made. And let's make something out of this instead of just throwing it away, right? Like, subscribe, share if you haven't already. I appreciate all of you guys watching it, especially the few that do stick around to the end. And let's follow through with what happens when you make bad decisions. So get your line work in, and once your line work is established and you kind of know where, you want to go, stop. Don't try to draw a complete drawing like this only based on lines because now we added some simple washes and we added more line work with more washes and gave us more depth. After that, we cut into it with an eraser and we cut into the values, took away the values, and made a contrast really well. And that gave us texture, and the texture makes it look really nice, as you can see. But we didn't use any special brushes, we didn't use anything. We use basic brushes. One big thing I want to point out is large dark areas like the inside of the mouth. Doesn't have to be completely black. It can be very dark gray, near black. But in this case, I chose that because the teeth in front, I'm going to make them different values. So it's already going to have values. So I'm going to stick the mouth to a pure black just to make contrast. And like I just said, I'm adding in additional washes. This gives so much volume and it allows me to see the image. If I can't see what I'm drawing, I can't draw it. Like, it's just like the rat. Like, I couldn't see my own image. Like, I don't know what came in my head, but I couldn't do it. So I know what a cat looks like. And here I am cutting into it with the eraser. And there's a way when you do, it's like rinse, wash, and repeat, you know? So you do your line work, you wash it up, and then you cut into it, and then you do it over again, that like right over it. And if you do it like 2 or 3 times, you create so much layered values and textures that it looks like you spent all day to do it. You probably did, and I did spend a long time doing it. And that's why people use special brushes because it cuts the time in half. But digital art got a bad rep of not being recognized as art, and because of things like that. The traditional means there's no special stamp brushes unless they create one to create fur quick, like painting, traditional painting. And I am a traditional painter by background, so it's hard for me to use quick and easy access brushes. I like to do it uh, traditionally, the hard way, and I get to see more. I get more control out of it. If I use a custom brush, I don't always get the control I want, and that's just your idea of it is different, I'm sure, but for me, it's the little things, and I don't want to miss out on it. And drawing cats is kind of tough. Sometimes, you want to start small. Start off with a bird. Birds are easy to do, and you can't screw it up. Do your line work, get your ink in there, get your lines looking nice and clean, throw some washes, and build the values up with the wash, and go as dark as you think you need. But my recommendation is start off light, line work, wash, and then cut. And then when you want to go deeper with the darks, on the second pass, do the deeper darks, and it's shown here. That way you pace yourself and you don't try to draw a whole picture at the same time in one pass. No artist draws a picture in one pass. And if they do, it's because they're looking at an image that's already finished and they're trying to impress you. Don't fall for that bullshit. Just look, follow the process, follow the techniques, and you'll have good success. It's very simple. Draw the bird. The bird is easy to do. And when you feel you could take the cat with all this mindless fur that they got, knock it out and shoot me an image of it. Knock on my door. Say, hey, look what I did. I want to see what you guys did. These techniques are not hard to do, and you can do them, and I believe you can. You guys, thank you so much for sticking around with this video. There's about 33 of you, 33% of viewers that who do stick around, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. You guys make me keep coming back doing more videos, and I keep getting better, and thank you. Thank you again. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.